The Subaru WRX, renowned for its rally heritage and performance, has also gained notoriety as a favoured vehicle among criminals, particularly in Australia during the late 1990s and early 2000s. Its combination of speed, agility and practicality made it an ideal choice for illicit activities. In Australia, it thus became the vehicle of choice for car thieves, joyriders and ram raiders due to its handling and acceleration. Its performance capabilities allowed criminals to execute swift getaways, often outpacing law enforcement vehicles. The car's spacious interior accommodated multiple passengers and ample cargo space, making it suitable for carrying stolen goods. The WRX involvement in criminal activities was not limited to Australia. In 2013, a bank robbery in Sydney involving a stolen Porsche Cayenne used to ram into a bank, followed by a quick getaway in a stolen blue WRX. This incident highlighted the car's appeal for such crimes. The car's reputation even permeated popular culture. In the 2017 film Baby Driver, while the WRX association with criminal activities is an unfortunate aspect of its history, it underscores the vehicle's exceptional performance characteristics that have made it a standout in both motorsport and regrettably in the realm of crime. From rally champion to getaway legend, it's a car that's mastered the art of controlled chaos, a rally champion with a wild streak. The Subaru WRX, with its rally-bred DNA and all-wheel drive mastery, has become a symbol of performance and practicality. But there's a darker side to the story. Beyond the podiums and trophies, the WRX has earned an unexpected reputation as the vehicle of choice for high-stakes getaways. That makes this car so appealing to both rally drivers and, oddly enough, bank robbers. Today, we'll explore the dual identity of the Subaru WRX, a rallying icon and the most used getaway car in urban heists. The Subaru WRX was born from the dirt and gravel of the World Rally Championship. First introduced in 1992 as a high-performance version of the Subaru Impreza, WRX, short for World Rally Experimental, was designed with one goal in mind: to dominate rally racing. In 1995, Colin McRae piloted the WRX to victory in the World Rally Championship, making Subaru a household name. The combination of turbocharged Boxer Engine, Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive, and lightweight design made it unstoppable on any terrain: mud, snow, gravel, or tarmac. Back in high school, I was so inspired by the WRX that I chose to build its toy version, the Tamiya model. Piece by piece, I glued it together, fascinated by its design and engineering. I even picked it over the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, which was also an incredible rally car. Looking back, I say I made the right choice. Subaru may not have won as many championships as Mitsubishi, but the WRX left an unmatched legacy in the rally world. From rally to the streets. The transition from rallying to the streets was seamless. Subaru capitalized on its rally success by offering road-legal versions of the car, complete with turbocharged engines and advanced all-wheel drive. Enthusiasts loved its raw performance, and it quickly became a favorite among tuners and street racers. WRX affordability compared to high-end sports cars made it accessible to a broader audience, and its durability meant it could handle aggressive driving without breaking a sweat. This combination of performance and practicality ensured the WRX became a global icon. But the qualities that made the WRX a rally legend also made it an unlikely star in another, less glamorous field: getaway driving. Bank robbers and criminals have long sought vehicles that combine speed, agility, and reliability. WRX offers all three. Its all-wheel drive system allows it to maintain traction in wet or icy conditions, making it ideal for quick escapes. The turbocharged engine delivers rapid acceleration, and its compact size makes it nimble in tight urban environments. Its reputation as a getaway car isn't just about performance, it's also about blending in. Unlike flashy sports cars, the WRX doesn't attract too much attention, making it a practical choice for those trying to evade law enforcement. The WRX's dual identity has also been cemented in pop culture, from movies like Baby Driver to countless video games, WRX is often portrayed as the ultimate escape vehicle. Its rally heritage makes it a natural fit for high-speed pursuits, while its aggressive styling and signature hoop scoop give it an unmistakable presence on screen. But this isn't just Hollywood magic. Real-life getaway drivers have been inspired by the car's reputation, making it a self-fulfilling prophecy. Of course, no conversation about the WRX is complete without mentioning its fiercest rival, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. The two cars went head-to-head in rally championships for years, with Mitsubishi often coming out on top in terms of titles. But the WRX carved its own niche, while the Evo was known for its precision and power. The WRX was celebrated for its balance of performance and everyday usability. For many enthusiasts, the WRX felt like the car you can take to the track on Sunday and to work on Monday. Today, the WRX continues to evolve, combining cutting-edge technology with its rally-inspired DNA. Whether you're a rally driver, an enthusiast, or just someone looking for a reliable and fun car, the WRX has something to offer. Its dual identity as a champion on the track and a legend on the streets ensures that its story will live on for generations to come. The Subaru WRX is more than just a car. It's a symbol of speed, control, and unrelenting ambition. From rally champion to urban legend, the Subaru WRX will always hold a special place in automotive history and in the hearts of those who dare to drive it. If you like this video, subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.